welcome to another video of the Sister Vlogs. So in our last video, I'll put a link down below or click on the eye in the corner. We made Emma's deluxe bedroom. And this is one of my favorites because yesterday was my birthday and she gave it to me as a gift.
It was only we're gonna build Stephenie girl, not the whole entire thing.
Yes, we are. You're gonna build it today.
Yeah, so let's put this one.
Yeah, this is Stephenie's bedroom. So we're gonna be like, hi Stephenie, come inside my bedroom. Hi Emma, come inside my bedroom. Oh, you're not open, okay. So Stephenie is a sporty girl in 2018, but last year's she loved baking. That's why I loved her, but now she's sporty, so I still like her.
Puppy, can you put this in?
Okay.
I'll open the other
Okay, Amy.
Okay,
Okay.
I'll open it.
You want help?
There.
Oh, you want help?
I didn't.
Oh, you're supposed to open it. Ah. Okay. Yeah, okay, you know what? I'll just open this.
Hey, honey.
Oh, and instructions so you know how to build it. I gotta be honest, it takes a lot of time to build even one small Lego set. Because this one, it took us about, I think it's 20 to 10 minutes. 10 to 20 minutes.
Nothing
Sorry.
else.
Oh, we forgot the stickers.
Here's her dog's bowl.
Yeah. Oh, she has a doggy named Dash.
I'll build a person.
Stephenie's also going to be moving inside of her house. We'll be right back after we sort out the colors.
I have a favorite bowl.
So we're going to be back actually after sorting out the colors because in the instructions it says that if you don't get, so you don't get them. Wow, it's been a while we haven't drinking water. Including
It's water time break.
So it's water time or water break, yeah. We need to drink some water to get hydrated, so then we have so much energy.
And strong.
And strong, yes, because we are literally 90% our body is made out of water.
Hey,
70.
look
70.
at my
Oh,
message. Look
70.
at my message. Look at mine, Happy.
Water is healthy.
Now it's big muscles.
Feel it, Ma. Feel it.
Oh my God, you are so strong, Inaya.
Yay! I get to roll stronger. I'm
We're strong like Superman or Supergirl. Okay, now let's start building her bedroom. And I love the stickers too. I just adore
Now
stickers.
feel it, Happy.
Oh, they're bigger. They were like right here and now they're so big. Ah! Oh, they're so strong.
They're so
and so,
strong.
Now
yeah, they're so
now.
tough. Wait, not that tough. I mean, they're so like thick.
Whoa.
Thick.
I'm
Wow.
drinking more water because I'm potty
One thing is that about
Yours
Lego that I
very
adore is
healthy.
their stickers. Lego Friends and Disney stickers are amazing. Okay, now let's start. Okay, now you want to start building?
And I just burped.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So we did. So we did make Stephenie, and we did have the
Here's
dog.
ice cream.
Ice cream for dogs? What? Okay, Naya, let's start building so they could chill out over here near the water if they want to go inside.
Hey.
Drink water. Okay, now you can start building. Oh, a trophy. Stephenie's. Okay, Naya, so here's this.
She won first place from soccer. That's why she.
Oh yeah, she did win first place for soccer. She does play soccer. Wow, how does she know that? I did not tell her anything, I promise. Okay, Naya, so start building for this. Oh yeah, it's for Dash's dog house. Okay, you
Yappy.
could start building.
Muna.
So most of this Naya is going to be building since I built most of that. So
So I'm gonna build it alone.
okay, you can build it alone, but if you need help, then I'm right here.
If I'm
So this is Inaya vlog today.
not sister vlog because it's a Naya vlog.
Yay!
Not the
Okay.
happy vlog.
What? I'm the helpful helpia. Okay.
You are so
Okay.
funny, Naya.
Oh, she did it. Okay, so make sure you push it down. Okay.
Funny, Naya.
Funny Naya, small, funny Naya.
Now feel my muscles.
What? They keep growing big. But
You're
now we need to quickly
building
keep
muscle,
building.
but it's time to build.
Yeah, we need to
Let
keep.
go.
Yeah, so then we have energy.
Let it go. Let it go.
On top of that, yeah. Okay, now let me just.
Now
The
No.
floor piece.
Show me that.
And
Look.
One of
Now Dash can go in.
Oh, dashy washy.
Mhm.
Oh, okay, and I'm going to build this small thing that goes on
Looky,
top.
guys.
Looky, dookity, wookity. Okay, now let's put it, just stay inside with this.
Round of applause up, yeah.
And round of applause to Inaya. Ooh, patty cake, Baker's man. The patty cake round of applause for both of us. Okay, now it's time to already build the bedroom. Wow. Okay, let's start. Okay, Naya, start building.
Okay, what
It
should
doesn't-
I do there?
Uh-oh. It's going up. But Inaya did it. Good job. Open, shut. Open, shut. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open wide them in your lap.
Open,
lap.
shut. Open, shut.
Oh, wait,
Put them in your
Lap, lap, lap. Woo! Yay, high five. High five. Do the high five thing. High five to say down. Do it.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I didn't get it. I got the arm off. High five. To say down below. Why you hold my hand? She's like, whenever I do that to you, you're like, "Wah, no cheating."
Yeah.
Oh, high five. Are you okay? Say, down below. No. Oh, she got tips on my fingers. It's okay. Okay, let's keep building.
Open, shut, and open, shut. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut, and open, shut. And
Are you going so? Okay, you're going so fast, Naya.
I'm gonna put this in
Okay,
the
here you go. Here you go, Naya.
I will put this in the bedroom.
Okay, here we go. Here, let me help you.
And shut.
Yay! It's time to make the heart, like the heart of Stephenie, but like the heart of the bedroom. Yeah, like you get it. What I'm saying.
I play this song like this. Open, shut, and open, shut, and open, shut, and open, shut.
So,
Put
as
them-
about Emma's, it
put
was a
them
heart.
in your
and now it's a heart too. It's a heart
Put
too,
them-
see? But when you do this, it's a broken heart.
Hey, Happy, stop playing.
Oh.
Put them in your lap.
Okay, Naya. Now let's make the bed. Who wants to make the bed?
Me.
Okay, fine. You can make the bed since you said it first. Okay, I said to make the bed, not broke the heart. Okay, come on, make the bed. Look at the picture. What? Seriously? That's so silly.
I'm so silly. Silly.
So we're starting to build the bed. Okay, we just need to make a little box. And I want to make the box?
Yeah.
Okay, so you just do it like this and then push it down. Or you could just look at the picture. So the picture shows of a little box. Okay, sideways. Yep, sideways. And you just push it down hard. Okay, I'm going to check. Okay, good job.
And I'm gonna put this way.
Yes. Good job! Inaya did it! Round of applause.
Broken heart.
They had to make a broken heart like this. I brought some supplies, remember? An extra hockey ball, remember? Oh, hey, Dash.
Yeah.
Do you know where Stephenie is? She probably might be outside practicing hockey. Oh, well, here's Chico. I'll go check on her outside, okay? I brought this for her before I leave for art class. Okay, bye. You two have fun. She's holding the hockey puck, and yeah. And Stephenie's favorite colors are blue. So her and yellow, so that's most of her.
Now she's trying all the balls.
Oh, here's the ball, Inaya. Oh, sorry. I tried to make it go inside there and then you'd be like, yay! Oh, she is outside. Let's go outside and meet her. Oh, hi, Stephenie.
Hi.
I brought the extra ball that you wanted.
Oh, thanks.
You want me to put inside your room?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I'll
Thanks.
just put an extra ball.
I'm done playing hockey. I was just pressed.
Ooh, can I practice too?
Yeah.
I'll put my
Here.
bag right here.
Here's my hockey thing. When you're done playing,
How many
you can-
goals did you shoot?
I did 31 and
What?
I got
31?
and I did all
I don't think I'm ever going to beat your high score. What? Okay, I'm
but
going to start.
I got
from here.
I got trophy. I got the
I did it!
Thanks.
Yay! You want to see my bedroom too?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to my bedroom.
I like her painting.
Thanks. You want to paint?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You better hurry up because I need to take this painting to the art fair.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot Chico at your bedroom. Let me go get her. Chico, come on, let's go. You could come too, Dash, if you want to. Here's your Dash job.
Thank you.
Chico's gonna be right over here playing. Wow, this is fun. Thank you guys for watching our video. Please subscribe, click the notification bell so you would get notified when we post up new
When
videos.
you don't
Like
like-
this video and comment down below what
Or
Lego sets
thumbs
you
down,
like.
or thumbs up, or thumbs down.
Yeah, whatever you want.
Peace out. So,
Yeah,
I
we really hope you like our bedrooms. Okay, this is a very private message from us. Oh wait, Alfie's coming. We better stay. We better go back to toy motion, or else they'll think that we're alive. Come on. Oh, there they are. Oof. Wait, didn't I put Emma right here? Was she moving? Hopefully not. Oh well.
let's put her in the bed.
Yeah, let's put her in the bed then. Oh, things are there.
Hey, Stephenie's phone.
They're
Oh.
sleeping. Say good night.
Say good night.
Where's
Bye.